Uh-oh. Alexa, you know what today is?
Indeed I do. It's time for NYEMA to do a challenge.
Yes, it is. And it's NYEMA. Get that correct. But challenge on. Let's go. Let's see if it's here first. Oh, man. Oh, wait a minute. You don't even know what it is.
Woo!
Let's get it.
Safety first. This looks like a laptop case. This is really weird, actually.
You have to do the pregnancy belly challenge.
Oh my god, it has a belly button!
Hold up.
Hey, welcome to Day Party!
Stop it.
You're rude. We are here doing the pregnancy challenge.
So she wanted to go Ikea to get some more school supplies, so now she has to go there with a little baby in her belly expecting a 4-pound baby.
Boy? Is it a girl?
Does it look good on me though? No?
We get 25 thumbs up on this video. We'll make Rico wear the belly.
It's not gonna happen, so I'm gonna get it.
Thumbs up, 25!
I'm gonna keep my abs.
Nope!
Right.
Okay, so I'm gonna go put this on.
Prep time.
See you in a second.
Hey, welcome back everybody, and the time is here. Drum roll please. 1, 2, 3. Hey,
I'm
third
here.
party of the day party.
Yay!
Not for real though, but for play. So currently 4 months pregnant. It looks pretty legit. How do you feel?
It's heavy. I can't really touch my toes very well. Not that I could before.
Imagine when I forced her to do the 9 month.
Is it a belly button? No, I'm not doing that. Should we name it? What? Oh my god! Jeez!
Alright, so the game starts now for real. So I'm gonna treat you. Actually, I'm not, because you're gonna be asking for Taco Bell every 25 minutes.
It's not there.
But you ready?
Yeah?
Let's go.
His name is Paul.
Hello, Paul.
Oh my gosh, this is so much work.
Well, at least 4 months isn't as bad.
What shoe should I wear? Should I be one of those hot moms that wears like the high heels?
You gotta be hot first. Just play.
Wow, gee, okay. Oh my god. You're not gonna help me? You're just gonna sit there.
I wanna see.
Take your time.
Oh my god, I can't do this. How do people do this? Ugh.
And this is only 4 months.
There has to be a better way. And we're off. Okay, update. Paul and I are hungry and we're also thirsty.
I'm not hungry. I'm not thirsty. And my name is Paul.
Your name is not Paul.
This is Paul Jr.
This is Paul, and Paul and I are both hungry and thirsty. And my watch just went off saying it is time to eat. Okay?
Okay.
Yay. Woo! Take me to my nuggets. Nugs for life. You want to see a mad pregnant lady? You forgot my iced coffee.
I didn't forget it. You were there when I ordered, so you forgot your iced coffee.
Paul is pissed. Paul wants a bite of your sandwich. so that Paul can get it.
No, I just gave it to him. He enjoyed it.
He did it.
What's that, Paul? What's that, Paul?
No,
You're welcome, son.
I have to eat it so then Paul. Yes! Yay, we're here! Paul, we're here!
Yippee!
Are you so excited? Thanks for
To go
driving.
buy your school supplies?
Yeah, to buy all the school supplies.
Yes.
It's so hot.
It's blazing out here. I'm gonna throw this money while she throw a fit. Wild birds.
Come on, Paul. We're going inside. I feel like this is like an armrest. It's a permanent, lifelong armrest.
He might smush his head though.
Oh,
Or his feet.
maybe.
Or his neck.
Okay. Relax. Cute.
So what?
Peeing wasn't so bad. Does it look real? I guess it does.
She's being annoying already. Asking for a cart. And she can't walk around with a bag like she normally does. She can't even go down this way. Now she's following me. Hopefully this pregnant woman gets away from me. Leave me alone, lady.
These things make your pants fall down. Still working. Oh my gosh, I can see it. That's better.
Oh, stretchy stuff. Oh, shut out of here. Ever seen a pregnant lady trip?
That is not okay.
Is he still kicking?
Oh, this is not
Not good.
soft at all.
Next. Pregnant woman said this one's too hard.
This one
How's
is
that one?
also too hot.
That's what she said. You the OG, so you got the pregnant woman pushing the basket. Now she wanted to push. Yo, nah, come check this out.
That's not funny. You're annoying.
Fix your belly. We found a hidden place for her to fix her belly.
Anybody in here?
It's finally finished. Weirdo. But this is what you do pregnant in Ikea. I'm never getting you pregnant. No babies for you.
No.
The kids section. Dun, dun, dun. Pandas. Tigers. Lions. Paul. Paul.
Honestly, today's become more of a try not to expose myself than anything else. Try to keep the wrinkles together. Oh, hey.
Oh, is it start again?
How did you even get in here? Good night.
Well, I swear she pees like she's pregnant. It's like the 8th bathroom break. Look at these dope little backpacks. Ooh. And she's back. For years. Let's go. She's taking forever. Does it take this long to find a treat? I got one. But wrong almost to the final end of the road. About to go pick up the last few items. She has all of this. And now she's walking around, her back circling. Hopefully she walks up very soon. So I am hungry. Hey, did you have the baby? What took you so long?
You're annoying. You're supposed to be nice to me. I'm a child. Smile, I'm
You
finished.
still have to eat.
No, I'm done.
You know I eat
quit.
every time I come. We're eating. Get a cinnamon roll.
You're so annoying.
Did the pregnant woman eat?
Paul was hungry.
So what?
Paul was hungry. We made it. I got my coffee. How you feel? Yeah, pregnant people can drink coffee. Like a cup a day. I feel hot. I feel real hot. I feel uncomfortable.
Real hot, real uncomfortable. Just like
That's not right.
And just like that, we're back.
Yay!
Belly has been removed. Oh, you're right. This feels.
It's weird. It has a belly button.
But she made it through Ikea.
I did. It was hard. It was hard. It was hot, and so I felt like I was sweating, almost like wearing a waist trainer that weighs
She
like
was sweating a
4
lot.
more
Came
pounds.
through drip. Drip, drip.
I really thought, like I really generally in my life thought that people would go out of their way to like help me out because I was pregnant, but nobody cared.
At all. No one. It's probably because you weren't pregnant. You were like just here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not making a baby. I'm just making a baby. No! I should have got free water. Just saying.
She's really upset about her.
I am really mad. Like
Yeah,
he
they're
just
paying
looked at me. I was like,
$2 for a bottle of
hey.
water.
It was $1
She's so upset.
and 8 cents, and he could have gave me that bottle of water.
Even worse, $1.80.
Clearly, I was thirsty.
But anyway, she did leave with a baby.
I did. Birthed out Paul, and here he is. He's a cactus.
What's his name?
Paul.
Thought his name was Sherbert.
No, his name's not Sherbert. Yeah, Paul doesn't like you. He only likes me. No,
That was a joke.
it wasn't. He bit you.
Oh, you didn't for real.
Anyway, stop touching him.
All the kids will love me, but anyway, she survived. She got Paul, the real Paul,
The real Paul.
and we are completely done. She got through her challenge. So get this to how many?
25 likes, 25 thumbs up, and we will impregnate Rico and maybe pop out a twin cactus.
I don't think y'all can do it, so I don't have to worry.
Hit the like button. I want to send him
I
to
don't
the
have
gym
to
with a
worry,
pregnant
so-
belly. That would be so funny. Anyway, day party, we are out. Oh wait.
Good night.
Say bye, Paul.
We're done. We're done.
Paul, say bye.
We're done. Spin that.